Hello, I am retired Professor Maheswari. I have been to this Pyramid Meditation Center. It was really very wonderful. So I went to the Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, and actually I am a sannyasin of Osho Center. There are a number of gurus in India who are really helping the entire world to find themselves, because we go in search of everything outside the world. But this is one of the another guru. This is the first time I'm visiting. A wonderful master, again helping a number of people to find out themselves, because everybody is a king within, but we are wanted to become a king outside the world. But where we go mad, it's simply a stupidity. That's what Buddha started saying. Being a king, he came out, living all the affluent, living all the comfort and luxuries. He found out who is the real king, who is the real master. That's within. So this is one of the another institution. Usually I have a lot of interest in spirituality, and this one such place really I visit to again and again, these sort of places, and to see people how they are coming slowly, they are moving towards the spirituality. Even the youngsters nowadays, they are showing very interest. Definitely these masters, when they are born, there are absolutely no communication, technology, anything, but still they have done miraculous work. And thanks to all the masters of Indian spiritual masters. Thank you once again for Pyramid Valley. It's very nice, a very good experience. Wonderful, simply a wonderful. One must definitely visit the place like this. Thank you.